So as Muslims, we are taught everything you do, you start off by Basmala. You start off by declaring, or you start off by saying Basmala, by starting off in the name of the Maker. And it is indeed a very powerful statement. We are taught everything you do when you start off by, or you start off with Basmala, there is definitely going to be barakah and blessing in that thing. But when you don't start off with basmala, then sadly there may not be as much barakah as when you start off by saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So it is a very powerful statement, and this is the powerful statement I want us to take seriously. We all know this statement and we all know the meaning of this statement, but the problem is we don't take it seriously when we say the statement. So we are taught we need to take this statement very seriously, and everything we do, we start off by Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the name of the one and only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is indeed a very powerful statement. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept everything we do by starting off with this powerful statement, and to put blessing and barakah in everything we do, and to grant us the ability to always remember to start off with this powerful statement of Basmala, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to open every door of goodness for us in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most forgiving, the most merciful.